Welcome to Gyanstairs, the innovative knowledge network where your insights come to life. Join a vibrant community that empowers individuals to transform ideas into engaging video lessons. Together, we're reshaping education, one shared insight at a time. Are you ready to inspire the world? Gyanstairs gives you the power to turn your images and text into captivating video lessons effortlessly. You don't need to be an expert, just share what you know. Watch as your knowledge transforms into dynamic video content that engages and educates learners around the globe. At Gyanstairs, sharing your knowledge is a breeze. Simply upload your images and text, and see them seamlessly come together. Our intuitive platform ensures that contributing to this vibrant community is as easy as clicking a button. Your ideas deserve to be shared. Join us today. Whether you are a passionate beginner or an experienced educator, Gyanstairs is for everyone. Every voice matters, and your experience is valuable. Tap into your passion. Create engaging video content that resonates with learners. Here, inclusivity is key, and everyone has something unique to share. Busy experts often struggle to share their knowledge due to tight schedules and demanding content creation processes. This leaves their valuable insights untapped, depriving others of learning opportunities. Traditional methods require significant time and effort, making it challenging for even the most brilliant minds to contribute effectively. Gyanstairs solves this problem by providing a seamless platform that transforms knowledge sharing into an intuitive experience. Simply share your screen and articulate your thoughts, one concept at a time. No elaborate preparations, no extra effort, just pure knowledge made accessible effortlessly. Your expertise deserves to be shared. Editing videos has never been so easy. With Gyanstairs, you can effortlessly replace images, shuffle text, or refine your content, even after video has been created. Take complete control over your video lessons with user-friendly tools designed for all skill levels. Modify any image or text and generate again. Join a thriving, interactive community. Gyanstairs isn't just about sharing knowledge, it's about connecting with others. Follow fellow creators, engage with their videos, and start discussions. Every new video is an opportunity for conversation and collaboration, transforming how we learn and connect. Every user of Gyanstairs has an activity wall, just like any social network. Whenever user creates a new video, an automatic post is posted on his or her wall, informing all the friends and followers about it, who may be already waiting for your awesome next video. The video description appears as the post text. Then video appears as a clickable link which takes viewer directly to the video. Also, viewers can like and comment the post, giving an opportunity to start the discussion about video content between creator and learner. Not only that, but each video page has comment section at the end, which can be utilized to converse and communicate with creator to ask questions or provide feedback. And here is a sneak peek into how easy it is to create your video content. Each video is just a sequence of images and what you have to say about those images. We have a detailed video about the whole content creation process. Please check that. Every video which gets created is always part of a bigger picture, the hierarchy of learning streams. Please check our video about that. To give a little idea, starting with scope which can be private or public, till down to the subtopics, the community decides everything. And this is where everything comes together. This page shows everything contributed by all the creators for a particular subtopic. Left side panel shows all the relevant subtopics which belong to a topic under a substream which is part of a main stream. This is the dashboard area for logged in user, which allows user to start a new video. Also, this dashboard shows all the activities of the user, allowing them to see the list of all the public or private scoped video, draft videos and all their contributions to the learning streams. So, Gyanstairs is not just a tool to convert your knowledge into video lessons easily and quickly, but it is a knowledge network which allows community to decide complete learning hierarchy, decide what topics and subtopics should become part of the hierarchy and associate respective videos to the relevant hierarchy. Join Gyanstairs today and contribute to the ever-growing need of knowledge. Not only you can contribute to various topics publicly, but also, when you learn yourself by going through various sources, then convert that cumulative knowledge into a very personalized video just for your own reference. Bye for now.